Ladies and gentlemen, our next match is a tag match scheduled for one fall with a 15-minute time limit. Entering first, they are a new tag team here in WAW. He is the Batman from Madbury, Samuel Faux. And from Gloucester, Massachusetts, weighing in at 215 pounds, they call him the Dream Warrior. He is the Chainsaw.
Chainsaw is family, folks. Let him come up the stairs. So we are getting a new team here in WAW. We got Chainsaw.
Why do they call him Chainsaw? Is that Chainsaw right there?
Oh my God! It's Napoleon
That is
Dynamite.
not Chainsaw.
It's Napoleon Dynamite.
Napoleon Dynamite.
Oh wait. I think the guy with the chainsaw is Chainsaw. I mean, it's a shot in the dark, but I'm pretty sure that chainsaw got a chainsaw. It's Samuel Faux.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. But he looks like he likes the crowd. They don't like him.
No love.
No love for some people. Some people are just weird like that.
That's how things go in WAW. Because of Bare Knuckle Murphy's gonna hurt your team.
What?
If you're new in Bare Knuckle Murphy's,
Their opponents coming to the ring.
you're gonna earn those high fives.
28-20, the avarice of WAW Wrestling, Garrett Conway. And from Martha's Vineyard, always ready to go, Thomas Andrews. They are SYPA!
I'm with that chick in the first row. Yes! Here comes SYPA. Here they come. The most dominant team in WAW history.
We have a long history and we have a lot of good teams.
And I say that with no hesitation. And there he is, the only Derek left in WAW, Derek Conway.
That is correct, Buck. Unfortunately, Derek Simon taking some time off from WAW, but I'm sure he will be back.
There can only be one check.
It's not Highlander.
Check out that awesome hair on Thomas Andrews.
Where?
I am jealous of that little hair nub on top of his head.
Yeah, what the hell is that?
That's the hair on Thomas Andrews. You see that?
Get him, Chainsaw! Yeah!
Hopefully that chainsaw doesn't come into play.
Check the bulge! What am I smoking?
He's definitely smoking something there.
There's a bulge?
I'm not looking!
Lean in there, you can see it.
What bulge?
Everybody's so thirsty tonight.
You got a magnifying glass?
Bone saw! Bone saw!
Bone saw's ready. Chainsaw's ready. Here we go. This is gonna be the worst.
What is going on with
Possible
Thomas
scenario
Andrews?
for a
What is with the stretches now?
What?
I want to see Napoleon Dynamite wrestle.
I can't tell if you got bigger or if the tights got smaller.
Chainsaw ready to lock up here with, or square up, I should say, with Derek Conway. Derek Conway, what the hell is he doing leaving the ring? He's got a match to start
Hold
here.
on, time out, time out.
Wait, now
time
he's
out.
shaking
There we
butts.
go.
You've already high-fived each other. What the hell is this crap?
What?
Shaking everybody's hand.
We're
Shaking
talking
my
about
hand.
it.
Now he's
Yeah.
shaking my hand.
There
Now he's
was-
shaking the cameraman's
There were some
hand.
He
complaints.
has manners. Like,
He has manners.
That's respect shots.
his daddy
I
was
agree with the respect, but he wasn't
It's all
respecting his
about
crowd earlier when he came
respect.
out.
You wouldn't shake these people's hands. I wouldn't do it without gloves on.
Why don't you just be focused on the match instead of shaking our hands? seems a little,
That guy had the tramp stamp.
what?
He had the tramp stamp.
You can tell, you got a muscle build on.
I can tell I'm not blind. He had the tramp stamp.
Alright. Selena, complaining about the... Now I'm curious, is there really a tramp
He
stamp?
had the tramp stamp.
Oh my god!
It looks like angel wing. He has a fucking angel on his back.
Well, now we know what the white belt's for. Cover up the shame. Chainsaw, going for an arm
Or
hold
they
there.
get the neon sign saying shoot here.
God seems to know what he's doing here.
Conway, though, now out in no man's land, taking some time here. Oh, trying to take advantage. Now he's trying to pull him out.
Angel.
What is that?
No, chainsaw, no!
Oh! Right on the apron.
Chainsaw! Chainsaw!
Oh my god! Do you know English? You never know these goddamn mass creatures. Where the hell is this
Working
guy
on that
from?
arm. You got a tag.
Samuel Faux in here for the first time.
Pulling it down.
Making knee-high socks.
He had his tater tots before this match.
He's about to take this kid to school. Looks like he just got out of school. Like Catholic school.
Happy Hands? Was that the movie Happy Hands?
Got a headlock onto Conway, though. And Conway, though, is a very good technical wrestler, I would say.
Yeah, you don't want to go all the hold if you don't know what you're doing. We get there, Conway. Ah! Nasty drop kick.
Drop kick. Going for a pin. We only got a 1 count.
Stomp this kid into the ground.
You can tell that he's definitely he's new here. You can tell he's new to the world of pro wrestling, but he can easily get much better.
Yeah, well, this might be the first and the last match.
Because when you go up against a team like SYPA, who has held titles,
nightmare
who's held
scenario.
gold, this is not a good scenario to be in, especially when you're new.
I think it's funny.
Of course you think it's funny. You think pain on other people is funny, Selena. It's not funny.
It's pretty funny.
It's not funny at all.
You see that kid's eyes bug out when he hits the mat? That's hilarious. Speaking of eyes bugging out,
He is in trouble
he's
already.
getting absolutely tortured in there.
I just
might
want to
wanna
quote
get in
the
there and break
entire
that up.
Napoleon Dynamite movie right now.
I didn't vote for this guy.
Vote for Pedro! Napoleon Dynamite. Look it up!
Come on, do some sweet jumps. Oh,
I don't even know his real name. He's just Napoleon from now on.
We got a tag onto Conway, and now obviously these guys using their teamwork like they always do. Oh my God!
God.
This kid's in trouble. This kid's in trouble.
Oh, nice belly to back suplex. Pin. Chainsaw.
Chainsaw breaking it up.
That would have been it.
Get
him out of there,
illegal.
ref.
The ref is trying to get
Get
him
him
out
out
there
of
now. But of course, while the
I didn't see anything.
okay, well at least they're not trying to pull anything. The ref obviously making sure that he's focused on this match, making sure that these guys don't pull any punches. Kind of like
There
that.
you go. Creating distance there. He's going to the chainsaw.
When the ref is blind and can't see
Reaching for that
the
chainsaw.
dirty tricks.
Tag.
We got a tag. Conway, here he comes. Oh, guess what? Clothesline to Thomas Andrews. Derek Conway outside the ring now, making Thomas Andrews the legal man. We got a hip toss.
You can tell this isn't Chainsaw's first rodeo. Looking good in there against the former champs.
Absolutely. He's not dressed like it's his first rodeo, I can tell you that.
Oh, he's a salty vet. I don't know where the hell this guy came from.
Oh, of course, some dirty
Right to the tramp
tactics.
stamp. Sorry,
Laughing at? What the hell are you laughing?
Laughing at a grown-ass man in a tramp stamp. That's what we're laughing at. Jesus. I mean, do what you want.
Oh my God, knocking this kid
my
over.
God, right down the stairs.
Chainsaw's in trouble right now.
Goes over in pairs, rolls over your neighbor's dog. Oh, the tap out! It's SYPA making short work of the newcomers.
Wrestle against the new team of Chainsaw. What was his last name?
Samuel Faux.
Samuel Faux. There you go.
Now Kawaki's scarf locked in. Thomas Andrews, new do, new you. They are looking great. Literally looking great.
Well, I don't know about that looking great part, but as far as their win goes, yeah, obviously they look great for that. They won. I don't know what's next for SYPA, but we will find out, I'm sure, in due time.
It's only a matter of time before the team belts are back on the waist. A SYPA.
There it is, folks. I don't know about the new team of Chainsaw and Sam Faux here,
I
but
don't forget Chainsaw.
but good luck to these guys. Hopefully they have a future in WAW. Hopefully they work it out. Maybe.
Oh, here we go. Oh, yeah, Chainsaw. Oh, my Chainsaw.
Can't forget your Chainsaw.
Don't leave that laying around.
Folks, we've got more action on the way. Maybe we've got new competitors coming in still. Who knows? But we've got more action on the way. Stay with us.